Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve financial returns with Charles Schwab Investment Advisory step by step clearly. To improve your financial returns with Charles Schwab Investment Advisory, follow these steps. Begin by assessing your financial goals. Determine if you're looking for long-term growth or short-term gains. Understand your risk tolerance before proceeding. Visit the Charles Schwab website to explore their investment advisory services. Create an account or log in if you already have one. Navigate to the investment advisory section. Review the various advisory services offered, such as portfolio management and retirement planning. Choose a suitable service that aligns with your financial objectives. Schedule an initial consultation with an investment advisor. Prepare any necessary financial documents for the meeting. During the consultation, discuss your financial goals and risk tolerance in detail. Ask questions about the advisor's investment philosophy and strategy. Inquire about the fees associated with the advisory services. If you feel comfortable, proceed to establish a client-advisor relationship. Provide the advisor with the required information to create your investment plan. Review the proposed investment strategy tailored to your goals. Discuss asset allocation and the types of investments being recommended. Make sure you understand the rationale behind each investment choice. After agreeing on a strategy, fund your investment account. Monitor your investments regularly, reviewing performance reports provided by Schwab. Schedule periodic reviews with your advisor to assess progress. Adjust your investment strategy as needed based on market conditions and personal circumstances. Stay informed about market trends and economic factors that could affect your investments. Be open to feedback from your advisor and make necessary adjustments over time. By following these steps, you can effectively improve your financial returns with Charles Schwab Investment Advisory. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.